We're back on here. We thought we might go catch them one more time in Millerton, Oklahoma. So we're at the new 98 crossing right here. We're standing on a little porch thing that is only in Florida, but now it's in Oklahoma. So I guess they added this, and I'm here with my buddy Marshall. But anyway, after this, we're going ahead to Valiant and look at that new grade crossing there. But anyway, let's catch them. They usually do this because the rail's uneven and stuff, but I don't want to drop my phone again, so I'm going to be careful. They're driving Susan. Miss Susan tonight. Miss Susan. I'm gonna call that next one beside it Bob. I'm gonna say Bob. I'm gonna say Bob. Shishka Bob. Come on, cars. You're gonna try to beat the railroad. You can't do that. Ding 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 do dong ding ding do dong down ding. Here we go. I better back up, Whew, that counterweight's coming out. There's Bob! There's Miss Shishka Bob! Miss 9:33. Miss Shishka Bob. And they're gone. We're trying to make this a long video, so. And they're off. Let's keep it spread. We're gonna go to Valiant, check that new grade crossing. See you guys in tomorrow's adventure on the Kimchi Railroad. Hopefully it's gonna be longer tomorrow. See y'all on the next one. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We're in Garvin, Oklahoma right now. Here's the crossing here. All right, here they come right there.
Here we go, now it started.
Second night I've been dealing with the cracked phone. My favorite bell. Garvin, Oklahoma. Here they come. Here, oh, go. we're gonna go see what the progress is on the Great and Valiant. And they are off. We're gonna go see them in Valiant. Catch you guys in the next one. Catch you guys next time. Alrighty guys, we're back out here at Weyerhaeuser now. We're catching them here. Oh, I better move out the way. That gate's gonna get me. We're here with my buddy right there. Here they come right here at Weyerhaeuser. And gate's gonna get me if I don't move. Alright, I will stand right here. That actually sounds so satisfying. We're gonna catch them one more time in Garvin. So y'all are lucky. 49% battery life though. I'm gonna have to edit Idabel, Weyerhaeuser, 70, and Garvin. And they're off already. Alrighty guys, so there they go. We're gonna catch them one more time in Garvin. So yeah. Anyways. I had to get over. There they go. Catch them one more time in Garvin.
Wait, there's more not that
But wait, there's more. Sawtooth. But I'll see you guys in Garvin. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to Kimchi Railroad Fan Channel here on the Hot Rails. We're back again with another video. And we got a train. It's right there. Alright, here we go. It's gonna be right next to the bell. I hope this gate doesn't hit me. The bell's gonna be loud. Oh, but don't bust me eardrums. And also the horn's gonna be loud because I'm literally right next to the train tracks. They're right there. Gates, I think. The gates activate, like I said, you remember how they activate? That's them.
I'm not getting by that.
Look at that light. That light just looks just like Venus. You hear that hum so loud. What? The eyeballs. I'm here where I usually wait, but I did not remember that this is going to be so dark. It's actually 8:12 right now. They're on their way. Thought that was a doll. Oh wow, there she is. I was like, what? Yes. Mama! Woo! Scared the crap out of me. rode that in a while. Oh! What? And they're off. Bye! See you tomorrow. Dang, y'all, that was fast. Thought it came early though. Than that. I was about to run over there. There you go. That is it. Wow. That was a short train. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash like, subscribe to post notifications. And I see you all in the next video. Bye. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kiamichi Railroad here on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad. Welcome back to a rainy day in Idabel, Oklahoma. You can turn the windshield wipers on. We got Kiamichi Railroad in a severe thunderstorm. That's about to break loose here in Idabel, Oklahoma. So they're approaching from Ashdown. I think most of my videos are Ashdown. Like, oh no, actually Valiant. A lot of Valiant videos. There they are. There's those little cool pups in a severe thunderstorm. What? Wah, 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 wah. They are trying to get back to Valiant real quickly, and then they should. Oh yeah, the severe thunderstorm's moving over us at 90 miles an hour right now. Penny-sized hail's possible. 60-mile-an-hour winds. Quarter to golf ball size hail. I just said penny. I meant to say penny. But yeah, there they come in the distance right there. Woo! Did y'all see that? I just busted my mom's eardrum. I see little lights. Nobody would know that's a train if they had no common sense. I'm just gonna leave my tripod. I'm sorry for dingling my tripod everywhere. Work all day, then I'll wake up. Freak. Life goes on and on. Yes. This is how I filmed my first train, you know? Look at them. In a severe thunderstorm. Have you ever seen this? Oh, he waved at the last moment. 7.67. At least this is a train, y'all. It's gonna get in here. When I get my video camera tomorrow, y'all, this is gonna be a better quality. it is. Here it is. Here it is. At least we're not the only one. This came off my tripod, so I have to put it back on, y'all. Yeah. Okay. You can't even hear the train that you usually hear, the rails going back and forth because of this storm, and the rails are slippery, so that means an easy derail. They go way too fast. But if it derails, woo! I got that on video. Is that the wind? Okay, no, the wind ain't even blowing. Oh, many cars. I just want it to be over now. I want to go home. It's 9:38. This storm is moving over us at 90 miles an hour. Like I said in the beginning, freaking goodness help me. Okay, here's the end of it. Alright guys, there goes Kim Mitch Freddy. He is not asleep on this stormy night. Hope you guys enjoyed this train on the lightning burst day. See you all in the next one. Bye y'all. See y'all in the next video. Bye everyone. Here we are on the Kim Mitch Railroad in a severe thunderstorm. Bye.